Question number 26. As observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angles of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, then find the distance between the two ships. Consider here AB is a lighthouse of height 75 meter. P and Q are the two ships. We have to find the distance between the two ships, that is PQ. And the angle of depression of the ship Q is 30 degree and angle of elevation of the ship P is 45 degree. Here we have to use the property of alternate angles. As this AM is parallel to BQ, angle MAQ is equals to angle AQB. They are the alternate angles. Similarly, angle MAP is equals to angle APB. These two are the alternate angles and they are equal. Similarly, these two are the alternate angles. They are equal to 30 degree. By using that property, you can write the angles APB is 45 degree and angle AQB is 30 degree. Write that angle AQ, angle you write MAQ, angle MAQ equals angle AQB. AQB or AQP you can write. AQP are same. Both are equals to 30 degree. And angle MAP is equals to angle APB. Angle MAP is equals to angle APB. Both are equals to 45 degree. Now you write the names of the right angle triangle ABP and ABQ. Write that one. In the right angle triangle ABP, here you give the reason alternate angles. Then write in the right angle triangle ABP, for this 45 degree, AB is the opposite side and BP is the adjacent side. Then write which trigonometric ratio we have to use. Tan 45 degrees equals to opposite side AB by adjacent side BP. Then what is the value of tan 45? Tan 45 is 1. AB is 75 by BP. 1 into BP is BP. BP is equals to 75 meter. Now you take the triangle ABQ. In the right angle triangle ABQ, for this 30 degree, AB is the opposite side and BQ is the adjacent side. Again use the trigonometric ratio with opposite side by adjacent side. So you write tan 30 is equals to tan 30 is equals to opposite side AB by adjacent side BQ. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. AB is 75. Then BQ is BP plus PQ. BP plus PQ do the cross multiplication. 1 by root 3 equals 75 by BP you got 75 plus PQ. Then do the cross multiplication. 1 into 75 plus PQ is 75 plus PQ equals 75 into root 3. 75 into root 3. Then PQ equals 75 root 3 minus, transfer the 75 to the RHS, that is minus 75. Then PQ equals, remove 75 common, 75 in the bracket, right, root 3 minus 1 meter, root 3 minus 1 meter. Then the distance between the two ships is 75. Question number 27. As observed from the top of a building standing vertically on the ground, the angle of depression of a point C on the ground is 60 degree. From the foot B of the building, when moved through the point C in a straight line and observe the top of the building from the point P, if the angle of elevation is to be 30 degree as shown in the figure, then show that the distance moved from C to P is twice the distance BC. Here P is a point on the ground, C is also point on the ground, and angle of depression of the point C from the top of the building is how much? 60 degree. Here this is a horizontal level and this is the line of sight. The angle between the horizontal level and the line of sight is the angle of depression here, because the point is below the horizontal level. Then the angle of depression is 30 degree. As it is 30 degree, this angle ACB is also 60 degree. Then you can write this is 60 degree. Next, P is a point. From the top of the building, the point P is viewed, and from that point P, the angle of elevation, the top is viewed, the angle of elevation is 30 degree. Angle of elevation is 30 degree. That is from the point B of the building when moved through the point C. P is a point. It is a point from the point B which is moved through the point C. And from this point P, A is viewed. That is the top of the building is viewed. This is the horizontal level for P, and AP is the line of sight. The angle is 30 degree. That is the angle of elevation. So this is the angle of depression, which is equals to the 60 degree, and this is the angle of elevation. What we have to find out? We have to show that distance moved from C to P. C to P means CB is twice the distance BC. What we have to prove? This CP is equals to 2BC is to be proved. First to take the triangle ABC, apply the trigonometric ratio. For this 60 degree angle, AB is the opposite side, BC is the adjacent side. Then the trigonometric ratio with the opposite side by adjacent side is AB by BC, that is tan theta. So you take tan 60 degree. In the right angle triangle, ABC. Take the triangle ABC. In the right angle triangle ABC, tan 60 degree equals AB by BC. Tan 60 is root 3 equals AB by BC. Then transfer this BC to the LHS. Root 3 BC is equals to AB. Consider it a first. Then you take the triangle ABP. Take the triangle ABP. For this 30 degree, AB is the opposite side and BP is the adjacent side. Again use the trigonometric ratio with the opposite side by adjacent side, that is tan 30. Then you write the name of the triangle ABP in the right angle triangle. ABP tan 30 degree equals opposite side AB by adjacent side BP. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equals to AB by BP. Then you take 1 into BP equals root 3 into AB, or express in terms of AB, 1 into BP is BP by root 3 equals AB. Consider it is second. Now from first and second, observe here AB is equals to root 3 BC and this is also AB. AB is equals to BP by root 3. You can compare the LHS. RHS are AB, AB. Here you got AB is equals to BP by root 3. Here BP is transferred to LHS. Then you got AB is equals to BP by root 3. In the first, AB is equals to root 3 BC is there. RHS are same here. AB, AB. Therefore, LHS must be equal. Therefore, you write from first and second, from first and second, root 3 BC equals BP by root 3 and multiply root 3 into root 3 BC is equals to root 3 BC into root 3 is equals to BP is BC plus CP. Right, first BP and it becomes root 3 into root 3 is 3BC. 3BC equals BP is BC plus CP. Now you transfer this BC to the LHS, that becomes 3BC minus BC equals CP. 3BC minus BC is 2BC equals CP. So you got the distance between C and P is twice the distance between BC, that is CP is equals to 2BC. You got CP is equals to 2BC.